Okay. Continuing. A deck of a deck of 10 cards consists of 5 yellow. I'll get it right in a minute. A deck of 10 cards consists of 5 red, 3 yellow, and 2 blue cards. And the first question I want to ask about that is, how many 3-card hands consist of all red cards? In other words, I only want to look at the reds. Okay, well, think about that a minute. I hope you are. It's a combination because order doesn't matter. I want to choose 3 cards and I want them all to be red. So I look and there are 5 red cards. So the answer is a combination of 5 things taken 3 at a time. Now we've calculated this one before, so once again I'm not going to make a big deal out of it. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial, and we calculated that 2 or 3 times now, and the answer is 10. So there are 10 different ways you could do that. Get 3 red cards out of that deck of 10 cards. But let's ask a little different question. Instead of saying how many, what if I ask instead, what is the probability that you get 3 red cards from that deck? And again, we're assuming it's well shuffled. Well, think about what probability means and go back to your basic probability principle like we're always doing. That's the probability of selecting 3 reds basic probability principle. It's simply the number of ways of getting what we want, which is 3 reds, divided by the number of ways of getting any 3 cards. Number of ways of getting any 3. We don't care what they are. Order doesn't matter, so it's a combination. Up top, it's the same thing we got from A. We're choosing 3 red cards out of the 5. Down bottom, we're choosing 3 cards. We don't care at all what they are, so it could be any of the 10. Remember, there are 10 cards. So the answer is the product of those 2. Now, keep in mind that we've already done 5 combination 3 from part A, and that came out to be 10. So really, it's going to be 10 over, and then 10 factorial over 3 factorial. Oops, just show all that. Then 10 factorial over 3 factorial, and 10 minus 3 is 7 factorial. Well, let's just do the arithmetic. You get 10 down on top. The bottom is a combination. I hope you're getting tired of me actually doing the calculation every time, but if it's boring you now, that's a good thing. I'm going to do it. That's 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial equals, and then do another divided by and do 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial equals. So that comes out to be 120. So you get 10 over 120, which reduces down to 1/12. That might be the way you want to leave the answer, but if you do want to change it to a decimal, it's going to be about 0.0833.